and today I am going to show you a short demo of probability. So what is probability? Probability means chance of happening some event. For example, when I coin a toss, what is the chance of getting head? That is the probability of getting head. So let me show you how I can calculate it. But before I calculate it, there are certain terms that you need to be familiar with. That is, first is when some incident happens, that is called experiment. Okay, for example, tossing a coin, throwing a dice is an experiment. Now there are certain possible outcomes. These possible outcomes are called events. When I throw a dice, there are 6 possible outcomes. It can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. So these are 6 possible outcomes. That means 6 possible events. All the possible events comprise or makes the set of total events. Total events. Now the event for which I am calculating the probability is my favorable event. So with an example, let me show you. When I throw a dice, what is the probability of getting a 6? Probability of getting a 6. So P, it is denoted as P. P for probability getting 6. That is equals to, by a simple formula we can calculate this. The formula is number of favorable events by number of total events. Number of favorable events by number of total events. So when I throw a dice, the total number of events are 6 because there are 6 different possibilities that can occur. So my denominator becomes 6. Now how many ways I can get a 6? I can get a 6 in only one way. Okay, there are no other possible ways that I can get a 6. So my favorable event is 6. And that can come in one way. So number of favorable event is 1. So probability of getting 6 becomes 1 by 6. This is one example. Now let me quickly show another example. When I throw 2 coins. So what is the chance of getting 2 heads out of throwing 2 coins? So probability of getting 2 heads. Now when I throw 2 coins, what are the total number of events? Total number of events can be, in the first coin it can be head, and in the second coin it can also be a head. Okay, in the first coin it can be head, in the second coin it can be a tail. In the first coin it can be a tail, and the second coin it can be a head, or it can be a tail in the first coin and tail in the second coin as well. So these are all possible outcomes. There are 4 different possible outcomes. Okay, so my number of total outcomes become 4, and out of these outcomes only one way 2 heads can come. Only one way. See. So number of favorable events is 1. So probability of getting 2 heads is 1 by 4. That is, number of favorable events is 1 and number of total event is 4. Let me give you another example. Suppose I am throwing a dice. What is the probability of getting an even number? An even number. So when I throw a dice, probability of getting even number. Number of total events when I throw a dice remains 6. It does not change. So my denominator will be 6. Now I have to calculate number of favorable events. So what are the possible events? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Out of these 6 possible events, which one are the even numbers? 2, 4 and 6. So even number can come in 3 different ways. 3 different ways. So number of favorable events becomes 3, because 2 is an even number, 4 is an even number and 6 also is an even number. So number of favorable events is 3. So my probability of getting even number is 3 by 6. that means it becomes 1 by 2. So that's the way to calculate probability. Hope you have understood this. Thank you.